Culture Gee, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arge, agus topic na seachtain inniu, Cluichí Boird, board games. Agus show na Focail agus na Frásaí. Backgammon, Táiplis mhór, board games. Cluichí Boird, no Cluichí cláir. Card game, Cluiche cártaí. Checkers or draughts, Táiplis, checkers piece. Fear táiplise. Chess, fichille. Chess piece. Fear fichille. Die or dice. Dísle, no Díslí. Dominoes. Cluiche dúradáin. Jigsaw puzzle. Míreanna mearaí. Loser. Cailliúnaí. Marbles. Mirlíní. Move. Beart. Pastime. Caitheamh. Player. Imreoir. Team. Foireann. Tournament. Comórtas. Turn. Ficheall. Winner. Buaiteoir. The children were playing games. Bhí na páistí ag imirt Cluiche. Do you play games? Míntu ag imirt Cluiche? What sort of games do you like? Ken sais Cluiche is my lad? You need to be very practiced at chess. Caitheamh ilse go mai an níhall, no an bhícheall. We stayed for a calming game of cards. Dána mar le haid Cluiche cártaí chun muid a chuimhniu. The reigning champions. Na curry ratha. They won the game by default. Bhí butha gan cuimhlint acu sa Cluiche. They were sore losers. Is go donna ghlach siad leis an Cailliúnaí, no leis an Cailliúnaí. Biggie páirte a harde. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.